Welcome guys to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Corsair 32 gig Dominator Platinum RGB. We're on the mission to light this thing up, so yeah, which is pretty cool. I got these on Amazon. If you want to go ahead and take a look, there's going to be a description link. There's going to be a link in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. It is an affiliate link, so it throws a few bucks back my way. And without any further ado, this is 4 sticks. So let's get started. So we remove the side panel here. Am I blocking the way? Yeah, probably. This shouldn't really take that long. It's just 4 sticks out and 4 sticks in. So let's see if we can get you a little closer in here and see what we got. So right now I have those 4 sticks right there, which is hard to see. Let me see if we can get some light in there. As you can, I guess, kind of see with the iPhone light. This is like some good production stuff going on here. So yeah, well, let's turn that off. Let's take them out, get a closer look. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna leave these in here, cause I am going to be selling these here. I'm not going to keep them. These are 16 gigs, 4 gigs each. These are going to be, these are 4 gigs, 8 gigs each for 32. I'm actually selling these, so if you're interested, look at the link. I'll put a link down at the bottom, and if you guys want them, let me know. This is an X99 board with the X99 chip. So yeah, and I don't think you guys want to see my lips. Just trying to get over there. I'm trying to think, should I keep them in there for now? Well, I might as well kind of have them here. So this board is an X99 MSI SLI Plus, and it actually has for quad channel. So I can put 8 sticks in here. So you know what? Let's go ahead and leave this in there, and then we'll put these in there. Should I put them separate? Well, let's see what they go on right now. We'll put them the way they are right now, so let's see. We'll leave these the way they were. We'll open these. Let's get them open. Super excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Just barely able to buy this RGB stuff, because this RGB stuff is expensive. Got some safety information in case you guys want to read it. Comes with 2 packs. Oh wow. This thing is actually pretty heavy. When I grabbed it, I was like, whoa, how heavy is this thing? So there's 1 pack there, 1 pack here. As you can see, let's take it out of here. Oh, about to say, I was gonna like, do I need some scissors for this? No, so it just pops open like that, and we just push it out. Boom, just like that. Let's see. Corsair Dominator, little LED QB lights right here. Then the Dominator down here in the middle also lights up, which is pretty awesome. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put it in here. Well, let me flip this way. Lift those up. So pretty much just get it, stick it in, push it until it clips in, and make sure it's just seated all the way. Because if not, your computer will usually sometimes just go in and out. In and out. It'll turn off, turn on, turn off, and turn on. So. As you can see, we got these two here installed. Now we got to get the other two. So we got those two now. Looking all the light. Got these two now. So they are separated by the G-Skill Rip Jaws 4. Got those things a long time ago. Still good. So they are a little separated, but we got two on each side. Sometimes I think maybe we should put them all on one side, or we should like on this side put them together, on the other side put them together so that they're together close to each other. But there's that. So the install's pretty easy when you put them in the right way. When you find the slots they go in, and you know, yeah, it could be a lot better, a lot easier, but a lot better, a lot easier. Look, I tell you. But yeah, that's the install of RAM. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Get it, push it, find it correctly, and then we're good to go. So actually I should have powered it down from the power supply. That's right back here. I actually didn't, totally forgot, but hopefully everything should be okay. So let's go ahead and turn it on, see what we get. Well, we got those working. The other ones are not, so let's see. Probably didn't put something right. Alrighty guys, well, I'm back and we got all four of them working. Woo woo. Let's go. So lesson of the day is a job is never easy, but also make sure your RAM is seated properly. I had them not in all the way, so I had to take them back out, push the bottom part, and then push the top part till it clipped. That's what was wrong with it. That's why we didn't get it the first time. But this is now the full installation of the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB. As you can see, they look pretty sweet, pretty awesome, pretty blurry, but let's see. Focus. No, doesn't want to focus. Focusing on my eye is really good, but not on the RAM. It looks all colory, but all blurry. Let's see. No, yes. Hey, let's go. Oh, sorry about that, but let's go. Here we go. As you can see, they're nice, lit it up, ready to go, ready to party. So let's get this disco going. I want to thank you guys for watching another video. We're RGBing out my computer here for the first time in a long time. It's pretty exciting. It's pretty awesome. We got the Corsair in there, RAM, RGB, and then we also have the LL 120 fans, RGB as well. I did a video on that. Go ahead and check that out to see the installation of these bad boys too. And as you can see right now, let's see. Oh, that's a good shot. That's not bad. Don't have any B-roll stuff right now, but whatever. This is real life. Fans, RAMs, and That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications button, hit all the buttons so that you can keep watching these videos, because they are going to keep coming. Hopefully not too long, like a 2-year, 3-year period of time, but you know, this channel is going to get updated frequently, as much than before. But yeah, anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and do all those things I said right now: like, subscribe, and bell button. So thank you. Peace. Enjoy.